dare to. Oh why can't I see trees of green and red roses too. I'll watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, watch them grow, they'll learn much more. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney.